How's it going, guys? And welcome to another photography adventure. I'm in Overland Park, Kansas right now, and right here behind me there's a bald eagle nest. There's two bald eagles right now making a nest right here, and I'm here with a couple of my friends, great photographers, okay, and we're having a lot of fun here, so stay tuned. Have you ever wondered how a bald eagle built its massive nest? Well, let's take a dive into the incredible world of these magnificent birds. Bald eagles not only symbolize strength and freedom, but also display incredible craftsmanship when it comes to building their nest. But how do they create such incredible structure? Starting as a small platform, a bald eagle nest can grow to be massive over time, reaching up to 10 feet in diameter and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. They usually choose tall trees or high cliffs near water. This not only provides a sturdy foundation but also keep them close to their hunting ground. But what material do they use? Once they select the perfect spot, the real work begins. The eagles gather sticks, twigs, and branches, often traveling far and wide to find the best materials. They carefully weave this component together layer by layer, creating a strong structure that can withstand harsh weather. They are meticulous, using their powerful beaks to ensure each piece fits just right. Well, guys, it's been a very active morning here with these two bald eagles building a nest. I want to talk a little bit about my setting here, my camera. I got my Canon R6 Mark II with the new Canon RF 200 to 800. This is an incredible lens for this kind of photography. And now here with me, I got my very good friend Chris, and I'm gonna be posting his social media in the description down below so you can see all his photography. He's a great photographer, and here he has a R7 with the 100 to 400 Mark II. And we've been having a lot of fun. It's been a great morning, so stay tuned because we're gonna post a lot of pictures and video of these two bald eagles flying and building this nest.
Thanks, Manny.
Yes, sir. What's fascinating is that bald eagles often return to the same nest year after year, adding new materials and reinforcing it, making this nest larger and larger over time and creating a home that can last for decades. It is the female who chooses the nest location, while the male typically gathers materials. Then the female arranged the nest, creating a cozy spot for their upcoming chicks. It's fascinating to watch this teamwork unfold.
Once the nest is complete, it becomes a place of nurturing. After laying eggs, both parents share the responsibility of keeping their young chicks fed and safe. This dedication to their young is a true testament to the bond these birds share. It's a beautiful sight to witness. If you're ever lucky enough to spot a bald eagle in its nest, you're witnessing nature's incredible engineering at work. The bald eagle's nest is more than just a home. It's a symbol of strength and resilience in the wild. So next time you admire the graceful flight of a bald eagle, remember the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into building its home.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching the videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be making weekly videos, so please subscribe. And remember, life is a great adventure. Go out and live it. Till next time.